Hello friends, today we'll discuss microcontroller versus microprocessor. Microcontroller, it is heart of embedded system. Microprocessor, it is heart of computer. First we see the what is mean by embedded system. Embedded system means the combination of hardware and software design to perform dedicated functions within a larger mechanical or electrical system. Whereas a computer, we know the microprocessor is main part of your motherboard. The microcontroller has external processor as well as internal memory. Microprocessor has its memory components connected externally. In microcontroller, memory is inbuilt. If you choose any microcontroller from any manufacturer, they provide inbuilt memory. ROM, RAM, EEPROMs are embedded within it, whereas in microprocessor, ROM, RAM, EEPROM connected externally. I/O devices and memory elements are inbuilt, so area required is small. I/O devices and memory connected externally, so area required is large. Because I/O device, if you find the best example of microcontroller is washing machine, you will find the dashboard of washing machine is very small, whereas your personal computer, what is the size of your motherboard? The size is small, so can use in any compact system. Size is small, so it consumes more space in circuit. It have a more number of register, so programs are easy to write. It have a less number of register, so many operations are memory based. What is mean by it? In microcontroller, mostly use reduced instruction set computer, whereas in microprocessor they use complex instruction set. Because in microcontroller registers are more. We can store any data temporarily in register, whereas in microprocessor, if you want to store any analyzed data or any computer data, you have to interface memory device to microprocessor externally. Microcontroller are mostly in embedded system like washing machine, MP3 player, whereas a microprocessor are used in personal computer. It consumes less power, it consumes more power. In microcontroller, all stuffs include I/O devices, timer, UART, interrupts, clock, are all stuffs are inbuilt. So power requirement is very less. In microcontroller, it requires 3.3 volt to 5 volt only. Whereas in microprocessor, all stuffs are interfaced externally. I/O devices, timer, interrupt IC, UART are interfaced externally. So every IC requires separate power supply and voltage. It is less expensive, it is expensive. Why it is less expensive? Because within one IC the all stuffs are come, whereas in microprocessor, if you want to design any circuit with microprocessor, it require you have to purchase microprocessor IC, you have to purchase I/O device IC, timer IC, clock IC. So the total cost of your circuit will be increased. Here is a general block diagram of any kind of microcontroller. These all blocks are inbuilt. Interrupt control, on-chip ROM, on-chip RAM, timer, serial ports, I/O ports, bus controls, all things are inside. Whereas in microprocessor you will find the microprocessor is a separate IC, whereas memory ICs are different, timer IC are different, IO ports ICs are different, serial interface are different. All things are you have to connect externally with complex wiring.